Moving on to question 18. Same information as 17. At what price will the quantity of the product supplied to the market equal the quantity of the product demanded by the market? Sorry. Okay, that means we have to equate these two to each other and solve for P. So let's do that. Let's do half P plus 40 equals 220 minus P. Okay, so one way to do it is to keep working with fractions all the way, but there's a way to do it where you remove all the fractions. So what we'll do is we'll multiply everything we have by 2, which is the denominator right here. This will remove all the fractions so you can work with integers. 2 times half P is 1P. 2 times 40 is 80. We distribute this 2. 2 times 220 is 440. You can use a calculator. And then minus 2p because we distribute this 2. So we have this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2p here. And add 2p here. This becomes 3p plus 80. 3p plus 80. And this becomes 440. We're almost done. Subtract 80. Subtract 80. You get 3p is equal to 440 minus 80. Always use your calculator. $440 minus 80 is 360. So 3p is 360. Divide by 3, divide by 3, and you get the answer that you're seeking, which is, let's use the calculator. It's 120, but I wanted to use the calculator. Divide by 3 is 120. So the answer is $120, which is option B. But I'd like to show you a way to solve this problem using the solver in your calculator. So earlier we had this equation, right? These two being equated to each other. We had half P plus 40 equals 220 minus P. And I solved it manually the long way. And there's a way to do it in the calculator. So let's get that calculator out. Okay. So you would go into Math, and then scroll up because it's near the bottom, Solver, and we can type this in. So we have half P plus 40, and you can do half P like that, 1 over 2, that's half. X for P, half X plus 40. And the second part, the right part, was 220 minus P, so we'll do 220 minus X, 220 minus X. And this will solve the equation when this is equal to this. It says here E1 equals E2. And we don't know the number, so we'll just make a guess from one of these 4 choices. Let's just pick 111. It's not one of the 4, but let's go alpha, solve. And it tells you that the answer is 120. So that's a quick way to know that the answer is B.